Hi there, so I'm just doing a bit of a, oh excuse me, update on the Nuvac vacuum cleaner. So I've been using it the last few days because my other Hoover, although it still works, the vacs, in the damp conditions, for some reason the bags seem to get really wet. So I end up going through loads of bags and they all get wet and soggy. So I've switched over to this one, the Nuvac. I bought this as a backup Hoover. Probably a year or so ago, I think. I think it was about £99 or there or thereabouts. So it's not bad. It's a really light Hoover, and if you bear with me, I'll switch it on because the other thing about this is it's super quiet. Well, it's a lot quieter than my bags, put it that way. There we go. It's pretty quiet. It's easy half as quiet as the vacs that I've been using. The only thing that I have done, admittedly, is on the hose. I've just changed the end over so that it takes all my attachments, because I think it's a slightly different size. I don't know if this is 30mm, and I think the vacs might be 32, so this only comes with a couple of attachments, and because I've got loads of attachments, different brushes and longer crevice tools for me vacs, I just practically put the vacs end on the hose of the Nuvac, so I can use them all. But yeah, it's doing all right. I mean, the bag capacity inside, it's got a filter, quite big actually. If you bear with me, let me see, I'll show you. So in this one, I'm not sure, let me just move the camera. I'm not sure if you can run it just with the filter. I think you probably could, but the filter would probably get pretty dirty pretty quick. So that's the filter part just here, as you can see, and then the bag, as you can see inside. So it's not got a great capacity in the bag, but this bag is more material rather than the vacs bags. They're more paper, so I'm hoping this one will fare up a little better in these damper conditions, so I don't have to keep on replacing them every other day. So when the dry weather comes, I'll probably switch back to the back over to the vacs. I'm guessing that's probably what I'll do. But yeah, it's serving its purpose as a backup. The lead here is very long, which is really good. A lot of Hoovers, you have quite short leads, but let's move the camera again. There we go. Yeah, it's got a really long lead, which is pretty good. Unlike my shampooer, which is that is the Aquarius Pro Valet. One thing I don't like about that is it's got a very short lead on it, and if you're working around a vehicle, you have to put an extension on it. But there we go. So a bit of an update on the Nuvac. It's doing really well, nice and light, quiet. It's doing the job, so it's not a bad vacuum cleaner. Just a bit of an update. If you like this video, please do consider subscribing to the channel, take a look around at the other uploads, and perhaps I'll see you in the next one. Ta-da for now.